Set A. Left leg high heel reaching on the switch fake. Right leg high heel reaching on the switch. To right leg scorpion switch. Left side rotating apes. Left leg reverse reaching on the switch. Into left side of the roll. To left leg scorpion sweep. To right leg roll through. Left leg under switch to crocodile crawl. Left leg under switch. Right leg jumping on the switch. Into right arm crab reach. Return to crab. Into left leg jumping on the switch. To apes. Set apes. Right leg high heel reaching on the switch fake. Left leg high heel reaching on the switch. To left leg scorpion switch. Right side rotating apes. Right leg reverse reaching on the switch. To right side crocodile roll. To right leg scorpion sweep. To left leg roll through. Right leg under switch to crocodile crawl. Right leg under switch. Left leg jumping on the switch. To left arm crab reach. Return to crab. Into right leg jumping on the switch. To apes.